Hi everyone. This week we're going to talk all about bronzing. It's a question that we get very frequently, especially this time of year. How do I protect my skin and still kind of maintain that sun-kissed look? We have a couple of products to show you that will give you that natural bronze glow with none of the sun damage. So when you go to apply bronzer, you want to think of course, how the sun naturally hits your skin. Usually the sun comes down from above, so we want to make sure that we really hit the high planes of the face. That's the forehead, the cheekbones, the nose, and then I also like to do a little bit of the jawline so you don't end up with sort of a bronzed face and maybe a different kind of color décolleté. So I've chosen a bronzer to suit my skin tone here. This is from Jane Iredale. I really like this because it's got a little bit of pink. I tend to have some pink undertones, and it also has a nice bronze. I'm just going to take my fan brush back and forth in here, tap out the excess, and then we're going to go in just like I described and kind of hit the high planes of the face. And we'll also go in to the cheekbones. And you can see I'm just kind of brushing downwards very delicately right on the nose. And then again, I like to do the jawline just a little bit for some definition. I find that it's really a little bit more flattering on me anyway. And I'd like to see just a little bit more, I think, on the forehead. There we go. All right, and then I always take into the pink side a little bit more and just hit the apples of the cheeks. And you've got kind of a sun-kissed glow. So I just used the fan brush when I bronzed my skin with the Jane Iredale bronzer, but I wanted to show another technique that I do share with a lot of my customers. Using a sort of wedge-shaped brush, an angled brush, same bronzer, you can also do it this way if you want just a little bit more contour. I tell my customers to do the number 3 because it just kind of hits the high planes of the face where you want your bronzer to go. And it's really easy to remember. So number 3, and then whatever's left over, just hit the nose and the jawline. Just another way to do your bronzer in case you wanted a second option.